Hello guys. Welcome back to Mallu Education. Let's learn about parts of speech. All the words in English can be divided into 8, 9 or more groups according to their function in the language. These groups are traditionally called part of speech. Every English user must be familiar with an order to understand how language works to create meaning. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection are the 8 parts of speech in English. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, in the sentence George uses a blue pen for his notes, the noun is George, pen, notes. The pronoun is used in place of a noun or noun phrase to avoid repetition. For example, in the sentence I want her to take a photo with me, the pronouns are I and her. An adjective describes, modifies, or give more information about a noun or pronoun. For example, in the sentence the little girl has a pink hat, the adjective is little and pink. The verb shows an action or a state of being. For example, in the sentence I listened to the word and then repeated, the verbs are listen and repeat. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It tells how, where, when. For example, in the sentence yesterday, I ate my lunch quickly. The adverbs in the sentence is quickly. The preposition shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. For example, in the sentence I left my key on the table for you, the preposition in the sentence are on and for. The conjunction joins two words, ideas, phrases together and shows how they are connected. For example, in the sentence I was hot and tired but still finished it, the conjunction in the sentence are and but. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses a strong emotion. It is a short exclamation. For example, in the sentence wow, I passed my English exam. The interjection in the sentence is wow. That's all for today. Hoping you enjoy the video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.